Hi, my name is Saransh Handa and today I'm gonna tell you all my skincare routine. So I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, but before we start, let's start with the basic skincare routine that every girl has. So I start by using a cleanser. This is the Lavender Spa Cleanser. I like it because it smells amazing. This is the one that I use. Basic reason I use a cleanser is that it removes all the impurities, and I'm pretty sure that all of you all are well aware of it. So let's start. I always wanted to do a skincare routine ever since I was a kid, and I'm so excited that I finally got to do it. So now I'm done with the cleanser, and I'm pretty sure all my impurities and all the dust is far away from my face. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so now that I've washed my face, I'm not obviously gonna show you all of it on camera. So now I'm done. Let's move on to the next step.
Ready? Go.
Okay, so now moving on to the next step, this is the face wash that I use. This is the Sal face wash, and as you know, all the girls these days are super hyped about all this stuff, and it has salicylic acid in it. So what does salicylic acid do, you may ask? It obviously removes the blemishes from the face, and it is good for acne prone skin. So I have had a lot of acne ever since I was a child. So let's just move on to it. Sorry if I'm being a little clumsy. I'm a very clumsy person by nature. Face wash on my face. Let's just rub it all across the face. It feels so clean after a very tiring day just to rub face wash and just have a nice bath. Okay, so now I'm done with this step. Okay, so before I move on to my makeup, it's very important to use a freshener because it shrinks the pores, and it will also so that it does not clog any makeup. And I have a lot of pores on my skin, so let's move on to this step. Okay, so let's start. Honestly, I started doing this because a lot of my friends used to do it, and it honestly feels very fresh to apply on the face. Okay, so now I'm done with this. So according to me, this is the most important step so far. This is about moisturizing the skin. I love using the moisturizer, and this is my favorite step. It is because I have a very dry skin, and it also removes all the wrinkles, and plus this dry skin and all, I feel like moisturizer is pretty helpful when it comes to skin regimen. As soon as I'm done, I just rub it across my face and my hands as well, so that it feels all natural and soft, and I'm ready for the day. Moving on to the makeup, the first thing that I usually apply is a concealer. And the truth about this concealer is that I've been using it ever since I was a kid. Like, not a kid, but like since I hit puberty. So I have too many dark circles. So I feel like foundation is not really the thing for me. And just that you're wondering, I'm looking aside because there's a mirror right here. And I feel like if you wear a concealer, you don't need foundation as much. Just blend it in a little. And I'm no fashion guru or like good at all this, so like don't judge me for it, but this is how I do it personally. I feel like no amount of makeup can actually remove the bags under my eyes, but I still try. Okay, so this is the concealer that I use. It is the 20 Sans Stable Fit Me, and I can't say whether you can tell whether you can differentiate if I've applied a concealer, but this is what is the end result. So the next step is curling the lashes. This is a step I never thought I would put it on social media, but let's go. I hope it doesn't look weird on camera, but like I don't like extensions and all, so I just basically curl my lashes because I think it gives you a little something. Okay, so now can you see I'm done with curling my lashes. Now let's apply some mascara. Okay, mascara. This is the one that I use. It's from Swiss Beauty. And I mean, I usually say this is my favorite step, but this one actually is because it makes your eyes look bigger and better. Like if you do nothing to your face and just apply mascara, I think that it does wonders. So, and I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I put mascara first before applying blush. So let's move on to the next step, which is applying blush on your cheeks and look all pink.
Go.
Okay, so I'm not the one who wears a lot of makeup, and I think that I'm saying this for the third time, but it's true. And I'm just gonna apply some setting powder. I usually don't do this, but today I'm feeling a little extra, so let's go with the flow. Okay, and people, please don't give me hate on the comment section because this is how I wear my makeup. Okay, done. Does it look like it's set? I feel that it is. Okay, this is the one that I use. It's from Lakme. Its color is Natural Coral.
Go.
Time for some eyeshadow. Eyeshadow palettes are so good to look at. They're so pleasing to the eyes. Whenever I just apply some eyeshadow, I feel like I'm just spoiling the entire palette. But let's go. And this is the shade that I'm gonna put in my inner crease. And just blend it in a little. And this color on the outer. The amount of pink this has is insane. Okay, so moving on to the other eye. I feel like people are gonna say she's looking the same with or without the makeup, but this is what I do. I'm no expert at wearing makeup, but this is the best I can do. Okay, blush time. This is the one that I use, Maybelline New York Sensational Matte Liquid. Sensational is such a cute word, but let's go. I feel like I have a very pale skin tone, so blush makes me look a little better and a little human in comparison to other people. Oh man, too much of blush, but you got it, how you're supposed to do it. This is usually not the amount that I apply, but we're just gonna blend it in a little so that it does not look like I've got some disease. Also, I changed my profile, that you were wondering, because I like my left hand side better than the right. I'll just be back after blending this in properly. Okay, so this was the palette that I used for the eyeshadow part, and I'm going to use the same one for my highlighter as well. So like whichever part that I want to pop a little, I'm going to apply it there. Like I don't have any cheekbones or anything. Cheekbones is usually for contour, but still. I just apply it because I want to look alive and not like a zombie walking here and there. So let's just look a little more shiny, like a pop star. And then maybe a little on our nose. On second thought, let's just apply it here as well. Since I have a very big nose and I feel like it'll make it look a little better. I hope you all can see the difference. I'm starting to realize that you all must be getting bored of me. So now is the last step, the lipstick part. And I hope it does not gross you out, me and my braces. I don't write pretty hairy or dark colors on my lips, so I just use this one, which is the Swiss Beauty Lip Stain Matte. I just apply a teeny bit of it and then blend it in. So now I'm done and I look all pink. Okay, so this is the finished look, as you all can see. And I hope you all liked it. So makeup and all aside, my favorite part is the skincare routine. So make sure that you check the items out and you use the same product. So maybe the different, whatever suits you. So I hope you all like this video and make sure to comment, like and subscribe.